oh, e don settle. E don japa. Egbe don knack. Who go come settle this matter now? My people, I wan give una the update when e concern Regina Daniel mama, Chika Ike, and Regina Daniel himself and Nenduwoko. Una know say I give una the gist when e never too tey from now, when I first tell una say Chika Ike wan bring im head come out for Regina Daniel marriage. Say e be like say the thing don dey shake small small. Now Regina Daniel mama don come out. She don talk say she don charge. She talk say she no go dey for this life. She no go stay for this life. She go fold her hand. One woman go just come from one corner. E wan come kolobi the man when God take bless her daughter. Say she go fight with her body and her soul. My people, make I give una the full gist. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you're welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime I upload my ogbonge gist, na you go first dey get the message. Yes, my people. So I say make I give una update concerning the gist when I give una day before yesterday, because Regina Daniel and Chika Ike, e be like say they want to get small palava concerning Nenduwoko, because Chika Ike first they follow Nenduwoko before they can suspend their relationship. Then now she say she won't restart the relationship again. So Mama Regina just get small rumor, just hear small thing say e be like say she want to come into the picture. And she charge you. Then she come out or she come talk say she no go dey this life, she go fold her hand. One woman go just come from nowhere, one come call be the man when be say God take bless the pikin. Say waiting God don't join together, no man shall or woman shall put asunder. As I hear the thing, I say this woman, you are very selfish. Mama Regina is too selfish. She don't even know what they are called love. There is love in sharing. There is love in sharing, Mama Regina. At least other women, they share Nenduwoko with your daughter. Now that it's your turn to sharing Nenduwoko, why don't you want to share? Don't you know that there is love in sharing, my people? Just the plenty iguara for ground. Mama Regina can't say you know they agree. Now he can send one strong message to Chika Ike. Come tell am say just stay clear, as in just they tell you so. Just stay clear from Nenduwoko, otherwise he go spiritual for you. Because you see that Nenduwoko when you see so, now my investment, that man now my investment and my children investment. Hey, as social media can't see the matters, they can't read, and everybody head can go gaga say make una see wahala. Somebody when be say he see something pick, he thought say he won't buy follow the something. What of person when he can't lose the something? Mama Regina na very selfish woman. She's a very selfish woman. Una know say right from time my mind not dey deceive me. I first talk say this woman when be say e dey for this son-in-law house 24 hours. I say which time they stay house now? Day and night. They dance some kind dance for Nenduwoko parlor for them. I say this woman no be only Regina Daniel, no be go dey chop this man. This man go dey chop both mama pikin the way they suspect, because if you see most things when she dey do, most role when she dey play follow Nenduwoko. Now the role of a housewife. Regina Daniel herself, you no get her, you no send. Okay, let's for instance as this Chika Ike come now. Now Regina Daniel is supposed to come dey talk all those kind things, come dey write all those kind things, come dey send those kind message, and come dey warn Chika Ike. No be this woman at all, because other women when we say Regina Daniel come meet, all of them they get mama. If all those one mother-in-laws, that is the 6 mother-in-laws self, say all of them gather around the time when Nenduwoko won't take Regina Daniel as 6th wife, I'm not sure say Mama Regina herself therefore even get chance to come become mother-in-law. Now when Mama Regina Daniel come carry the matter for her gaga, e come be like say na him be Nenduwoko wife self. And Nenduwoko, I'm not sure say na man when be say you go fit take one hand push am at all, because that man una know say na serious polygamous man. Nobody go fit stop am. Regina Daniel is not the first and she's not going to be the last. I keep on saying that one. E no go work. E no get as Regina go find rich people. When you find pass am, they still dey. Even this Chika Ike when Regina Daniel mama want dey fight, so she dey classy, everything complete for her. So Nenduwoko know what he's doing. He know what he's doing. All these women, they just they scatter themselves for nothing. Nenduwoko know na him money, na him they take dey control all of them. So wetin I come dey think for you, I come talk say okay, as Mama Regina come out now, come dey attack Chika Ike, you won't tell me now say he like then like Nenduwoko say this one a natural likeness, have been a natural love when they get for, and I make them they fight all this kind fight, they do all those kind palava. Because now so Regina talk, he talk say he like Nenduwoko come from the time when mama they conceive, and she know say na Nenduwoko now she won't marry, he like and come for belle. My people, make una still help me judge. This one not be this man money, not be all of them they fight for so. Yes, it's obvious say Chika Ike say na the money they fight for. That one not hide am. But Regina Daniel mama when be say they know say na the money na the day after I come they talk say imagine a man when he reach to born the mama Regina herself Nenduwoko go fit born am. Nenduwoko take almost 50 years to senior Regina. So and Regina mama na late 40s. If Nenduwoko be person when be say quick born, if of fit born mama Regina if you want, my people are be alive. So if mama Regina come dey fight for this kind old man like this, and now you are telling us say no be the money make you dey fight, abeg madam, e be like say e go park go one side, e go park go one side. Okay, the way when the Moroccan woman take accept Regina, he accept Regina enter the house with all he has according to Ramo, because not be waiting we see for media or the thing when they post, we know they stay with them for inside house, we don't know how they live. As he has but stay for instance say that Moroccan woman say na Regina Daniel na dey in the shoe of that woman. I'm not sure say if for let Regina enter house, not to talk of to come make friend with Regina, but that woman make friend with Regina, make them do anything. So if to say na Regina, that means if to say na Regina be the Moroccan woman, if for not let another woman enter as just as it accept Regina, because this one now they never even start say anything marriage, they only just they gossip, they give some kind. That is, they give some kind suspect say maybe Chika Ike they follow Ned before sake of say they don't follow each other. Now mama Regina just come out and say he won't go spiritual, he won't do this one, he won't do my foot. Even the Chika Ike himself, they tell you know where they pass, you know whether that one knows spiritual pass you. And Nenduwoko himself when be like say na juju man. If you see that man self, be like juju. Say as he head be like who kosi yam. As that head be like who kosi yam rich. I don't see that man say be like ordinary person. So now I think say any babe when they fall on self go they take ordinary hand they fall on. So madam, it be like say she go pipe low because even the Chika Ike, you don't know where she dey waka dey pass. So you don't even know whether she even spiritual pass you. Small girl when suppose dey for school and grow up, enjoy her childhood with her friend, you withdraw and comot for school. This person, now whether you like it or not, Regina Daniel now drop out all because of the greediness of this woman. This mama Regina, you no even get shame for her at all. Even though say everybody they tell and say whether she know the shame, she no even the shame. If they see I'm saying na shame thing na she dey do, but she know the shame, she no even care. You command the girl for school, come put her for house by first husband. Then you come dey play the role of a housewife for your daughter because of money. Hey, now wow, my people, not one person no go see for this. I believe say Regina Daniel papa go dey one corner now. They laugh for Spanish. This Chika Ike one they see so. I see her. I go read her biography. I see many things about her. She graduates. She do many things. She get many business. She get many things when she don't establish herself. The small time when you take follow that Nenduwoko, she take and arrange herself. Unlike Regina Daniel, when be say he with him mama, time when be say they for take arrange themselves. They think say as Nenduwoko they carry Regina Daniel, they take they shine, they waka up and down. They say now so you go just be they go. You go just be like that they go. No. Nenduwoko will wait make you first born your first pikin. When you don't born your first pikin, the pikin don't they grow small. The man go shift. Now so if first they do and they come right from time. Now so they do right from time. Now so it take no Regina. So now so you go see take no another person. Time when mama Regina and the daughter for take plan where they take picture, they do some kind of video, they do Snapchat, they drop them for them. Small children thing. Meanwhile, this Chika Ike, they arrange himself. The small time when he follow Nenduwoko, he do something. He arrange himself. It be like say the thing, the tank, the water don't dey dry. Now she come refill them again. She use her wiseness because she know say the Nenduwoko say na national cake now it be. Anybody when reach there, take your share. If you don't use your sense now, you know everything go turn around. Everything go turn against you. So I don't know why Mama Regina come dey show pepper body for all those things. Be like say Nenduwoko na him daughter na him marry and people won't collect her for hand. Anybody know they collect Nenduwoko for Regina hand. Now Regina herself even be Nenduwoko for other women hand. So as he can't meet them, now so another person will can't meet them. So as you take collect and so another person will still take collect. Even though say Nenduwoko marry that Chika Ike today, he go still marry another one. He go still marry another one because now so the man talk. He say he get God when they talk to her until when he tell him say make him stop to born or to marry, now he go stop. So God never tell am. So Mama Regina, you go range your wrapper, you go pack well, you go tie your cloth well. There are still more to come. Make una not forget that Nollywood industry, Nollywood industry, Neduwoko, e don grow for inside well. Everybody don't even know am for inside. Plenty still dey for there. Some people like the Ini Edo and others, dem still dey there. So Mama Regina, make you pack well, make it not be like say all those ones, they fit still bring their head come out tomorrow. Even if Regina Daniel Neduwoko go carry Chika Ike say he wan marry and join Regina Daniel. I don't see anything too bad for inside though. Unlike say no go choose another woman. This one and go that is there will be colleague since that they work together before. At least sometimes they go they gist about their movie role and everything. At least you go see somebody when go fit see they rub mind together. Or waiting they will add to the or waiting they will produce because Chika Ike now producer too. So my people, make it not come be like say I come be like say I come to the talk for the matter. Or I want make I hang the story for here so that una go see drop una for the comment section anyway when una see am and how una think am. Make una just still leave una comment for the comment section. Say Mama Regina talk say he no dey agree o. He go use all his body, all his power when he get. He go take and fight Chika Ike. Say Chika Ike won't color B. He won't collect Neduwoko for Regina Daniel hand. Say wetin God don join together. No woman should put her son down. And me I not remember whether I get where Regina Daniel for do marriage with Neduwoko for church when they come tell and say now only two of them forever. I don't know. Now so Mama Regina can't turn the thing too. So my people, make una drop una comment wetin una think. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please, if you never subscribe and are your first time, I beg, don't forget to subscribe now and click that notification bell. And for those of you who don't already subscribe to this my channel, God will bless you. I appreciate you so much. So I go leave you for here. I go still give you more updates when concern this matter because the matter is plenty for ground. Well, see you on my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.